I just dropped off the scooter at I don't know how to pronounce it, Tone Scooter Rental, and just behind me, and heading this way towards the beach, and then hang a right, and I'll be towards my hotel. It's gonna be a couple K walk. It's a nice day. It's comfortable weather. It's about maybe 24, 25 C. Lots of clouds. Hasn't been much sunshine at all during my stay here in Da Nang. Disappointing. But this one comfortable weather. Even got cool at night. I had to throw on my Gore-Tex to more of a windbreaker rather than issues with rain. But it has rained here as well. So I'm just going to walk down this side street. A couple blocks over that way is the main thoroughfare. I've gone up and down there a million times, so I think I'll just walk down one of these quiet side streets, residential streets, heading towards the ocean. Might see something interesting. It's a little peace and quiet, I guess. I'm going to take you guys along. One thing I did notice in Da Nang is, man, there's a lot of military bases. I don't know if that's throughout, is that throughout Vietnam? I don't know, but there's tons of military bases. Just one, maybe a block or two from here, looks like army, because it's got a bunch of like 200-year-old cannons out front. It's more of an ornament than anything defensive. But anyway, something I noticed. Okay, let's show you guys what it looks like down a little side street here in Da Nang. Well, not sure where the heck I am, but can't go any further down the street, so we'll go down the side alley and see where this takes me. A little adventure. Hey guys. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Oh, that's not gobble, gobble. Well, it goes to an empty lot. I don't think there's a exit out that way, so we're gonna head this way, down this very narrow alley, and see where it leads me. I have no idea. Oh, there you go. Easy peasy. There's a street right there. Well, kind of want to avoid the main street here, but I kind of don't have a choice. I think the ocean is that way, and city center is that way. This is more the touristy sort of Miami Beach, if you will, part of Da Nang. So we'll head down this way. I'm not going to bother videoing this because it's not really much to see. Alright, we made it to the beach. Check it out, he's down by the water. This is a typical day, the way it's been weather-wise here in Da Nang. Overcast, a bit cool. Like, I guess I'm just finally become acclimatized to the weather, so you know, the low 20s feel cool to me, where back home in Canada it would be like very comfortable. But I guess I've been in we're traveling for a couple months now in Southeast Asia, and I've just become accustomed to the temperature, and so it dips down to low 20s. It feels cool to me. Alright, we're going to cross this road here without getting hit. So when you cross the road anywhere in Asia, you know, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, you just have to go for it. You can't hesitate and stop in the middle of the fucking road, because the people riding the bikes or driving the cars, they ain't got a clue what you're going to be doing. So you just have to keep moving forward, and they can estimate, or you're going to be in a certain spot in a few seconds, so they're going to go behind you or in front of you. They can calculate, estimate where they need to be in relation to you. If you stop and hesitate, it confuses them, and that's what accidents happen. So when you cross the road, just go for it. I know it sounds weird. It's very unnerving. Things coming at you, cars and motorcycles zooming at you. But trust me, I've learned over the years. Just keep going. Just welcome to Da Nang Beach. Like I said, the weather's been pretty much the same every day I've been here. Overcast, cool, with a bit of a breeze. So not exactly swimming weather, but yeah, I can't complain. I'm on holiday, so I'll take it. Okay, let's go down by the water. Show you guys. Slowly make my way to my hotel. Beautiful beach. I don't know, this beach, it must goes on for like 5, 6, 8 kilometers. Just goes on forever that way, and goes on forever that way. Like you can barely see the end of it, it's so far away. Yeah, to me, I call this the Miami Beach of Vietnam. It's got all the condos, hotels, high rises, everything right on the shoreline here. Restaurants, bars, pubs, and a few nightclubs along here. So there's like a nightclub I checked out a couple years ago for just for shits and giggles. I was kind of bored, nothing else to do. Walked in there. There's a table with about half a dozen Chinese guys surrounded by, I don't know if the girls work there, but surrounded by a bunch of women, or they work there, or their girlfriends, I don't know. And then me. But I sat at some table all by myself, listening to music, lots of lights, big dance floor, but there's nobody in there. So wasn't too exciting. But anyway, it's close to the hotels here. I think there's another one, but I don't think it's as popular, even though that one wasn't popular. Anyway, there you go. If you're looking for a nightclub, check it out anyways. Maybe it's better on the weekends. So when I was here a couple years ago, I stayed at this big condo. I'll show you in a minute here, and I discovered a little pathway